How many times it happened to you that you have the perfect frame for your shot and there is a cat crossing in front of the frame? Or you have the perfect sunset, the camera is ready, and the lady just passed by the frame. Well, in this video, we will erase an element from our footage. Intro. Okay, we're here in Premiere Pro, and as you can see, we have a video of the beach, very nice, and there is a lady here crossing. Like I said in the beginning, the lady crossed the frame. So what we want to do is to erase the element from our video. So let's go to the first frame, all the way to the beginning. This is the first frame, remember that. Now we're going to duplicate this video, so we click Alt without letting it go, just hold Alt and pull the video up. Now we have two videos exactly the same. We're going to work with this video, with the top video. So the bottom one, we're going to click here the eye, so it's going to be not visible. We work with the top one, okay? Remember that. We're going to create a mask, simple as this. It's a huge mask. We're going to measure the mask. We're going to resize it to be exactly like the lady that is passing there. I think this is okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, actually. It has to be a little bit bigger. And now we're going to feather the mask. We go to the feather, and I think 50 would be perfect. Now here, mask expansion, let's go a little bit high to mask expansion. We can see how the mask is going to change. So let's go to 80, okay? As you can see, the mask changed already. Now what we're going to do, that's why I said we have to start in the first frame. We're going to create a mask path, okay? So we're going to click here in the little clock that it's here, and we already created the first frame. What are we going to do? Let's mark the mask so we can see it. We're going to go like in the, close to the middle, maybe there, okay? But we lost the lady. Where is the lady? We have to move the mask and look for the lady. Where is the lady? There you go. We're going to do exactly the same. And as you can see, we created another frame here, keyframe. So what we do is we go a little bit farther and we do exactly the same. Let's look for the lady. Where is the lady? There you go. It's over there. And now we created another keyframe. And we keep going like this until we finish. There you go. And now the last one. Let's go until the end. And remember that we have to take the mask out of the frame, okay? We see there's no lady anymore, so we go out of the frame, all the way out. There you go. Now let's mark the timeline and let's see how it works. There you go. As you can see, the mask is following the lady. Let's see, it's perfect as you can see, but we have to watch until the end because we have to be 100% sure that the mask is properly done. There you go. It looks like it's perfect. Nice. It's done. Okay, now we go to the first frame again. Let's select the video so we see the effects that we did here. And now what we're going to do is to do inverted here. So we're going to invert. Instead of selecting the lady, we're going to select the outside. So then the lady is going to disappear. You see? Now we selected the outside. The lady disappeared. What we're going to do to make it work is, as you can see, this is an empty space. But there's going to be a point where the lady is going to be around here. And this is going to be an empty space. So the bottom video, we're going to cut it. So we're going to use the bottom video to cover the black spot that we have because of the mask. Let's go like this. We're cutting the bottom video. Let's cut it a little bit also here. Okie doke. Now we go to the beginning. We pull the video to the beginning. Take out the eye. And there you go. The bottom video is covering where the lady is not. Let's see. There you go. We just erased an element. It was so easy, so fast. And that's it. If you like this video and helped you, you have no idea how much it would help me if you leave me a comment, give me a like, and subscribe. What are you waiting for? It's free. And I am posting every week, and a lot of surprises are coming. Until next week.